Hey, it's Bass Boys here on a small pond in Arkansas. We'll be back when we catch some fish.
Alright, just got ourselves a bass. Nice one. Off of a jig. Probably about 3 pounds. 2 to 3. Here, hold that up right here. There you go. Nice one. We'll be back to you when we get some more fish.
Just got another hog.
About 3.5, 3. Pretty nice.
Alright, we'll be back for the release.
Got ourselves a chunky bass. Got him right off with the jig.
He was a fast swimmer too.
Hopped on that. Took off running. This thing's about 3.5, 4 pounds. Nice. Nice bass. Nice. Pretty nice one. What a hog. Well, we'll be back to you when we catch some more fish. Nice bass.
It's just a little guy though.
Probably about 2.5 pounds. Nice one.
He was feisty.
Off a jig again.
Got a little baby bass. About 1 pound.